Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another tabletop simulator tips and tricks. Those of you out there have probably already seen my original video on how to fix broken asset links. One thing people may have noticed is that method may not work anymore since there was that crash and all of the links got changed on the main cloud links. So if you're still having trouble and the previous video didn't work, this may work, but unfortunately it's only going to work if you have got the item saved. You might be able to do it if you're able to right click on the item, like if you've already got it in your cache, you might be able to save it. I haven't actually tested that yet. I probably should test that actually. I'll probably test that in a little bit. But the idea is that since that little glitch happened, the links have now changed. So files that you have stored in your cache file or your cache folder, the links no longer match. So when you use the system to do that search, it doesn't find it anymore because it's saved on your computer under a different directory. But here is how to find that specific directory. Okay, so I've got this thing here called the Rasnat ball. This is one of the ones that doesn't work. So if I click on it, it tries to load it and it gives me the error. You can see the address that just popped up the top there. Now if I click on it, it'll pop up again. So Steam user content A, Ahmed, blah, 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 all that sort of stuff, right? Now that doesn't work. If I was to copy paste this file and do a search on it, it won't show up because that wasn't where the cache file has the thing stored. However, the way you can find it is like this. Sorry, I'm just sort of rambling here. What you do is you go into your File Explorer, open up your My Documents folder. Sorry. So you go to My Documents, My Games, Tabletop Simulator, Saves, and then Saved Objects. Okay. And then it will have. This is where it stores all of the links and other bits and pieces for. I got the little. What are they called? The thumbnails for all of the different objects. Okay, so all you need to do is find the object that isn't working and open up this .json file. Okay, open it up in Notepad. Now, if you double click on that, it'll open it up and scroll down, and it will have the original link to what it was. So you notice here that's completely different to the one that was displayed before. And then if we use the method that we used before, copy that, go menu, configuration, open the game data folder, so the mod save location. Okay, then drop that in there. Once more, delete the slashes, the dots, anything that isn't a letter or a number. And then let the file search. And there it is. All right, so if we go copy, and then we'll just paste that into my 3D Minis folder here. Oh, you can't see it, it's on my other screen, but just copy the link or copy the file into another folder. We'll just call it Spike Ball for now. Close that down, we close that down, and we go browse local files. We go Spike Ball. There we go, Spike Ball, open, upload to cloud, upload. And boom, there it is. And as you can see, it's given it the new style link type up there. Okay, so if your previous version, if the previous method that I have described doesn't work, try out that method and hopefully that should work. Again, it's only going to work with things that you have saved on your system before. What I will try, actually, now that I think of it, okay, now this one here was a series. This is actually a workshop one that loaded but no longer works. But it does work if let me just close all this down. Now if I switch the caching back on, or the caching. There we go. Okay, so if I load the caching, it all works. Now, the question will be, because these have all got the new style links, if I save this, we'll just call it building, save. Now, if I go, because I know these don't work, because I tried to fix these earlier on and it didn't work using the different images here. However, if I now use my new method, it'll just be in saved objects, building. No, it looks like it doesn't have the new. Okay. So it appears to be that you're going to have something that was saved prior. I haven't worked out the method for fixing items that you haven't already got saved, but I don't know. Actually, let me. No, because this is just the same. All the slashes and the dots. Let's see if that works. It might even do it now that I'm thinking about it. If it's the newly saved version, it might put it in the cache due to that. But yeah, see, that's the issue that I was trying to solve. But yeah, it looks like if you've already got the item saved as one of your objects, then it can be recovered. For now, it doesn't look like it can. If I work it out, I will definitely post a video about it. So yeah, unfortunately, that's all I've got for you today. But hopefully, that little tip from the beginning will be useful. So yeah. For now, thank you all very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. I have been your humble DM and techie person for Tabletop Simulator, Tim. And until next time, everybody, remember to keep on blending. Bye!